Hey, it's Jason. I'm here at the AACA Museum in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and this is a 1958 Buick Wagon, unrestored, 100% original. The Buick Wagon, it's a 40 special estate wagon. It has a 5-door body type with tons of space in the back. It has a V8 with 210 horsepower. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour of this 1958 unrestored 100% Buick Wagon at the AACA Museum in Hershey, Pennsylvania. So as I mentioned, this is on loan as part of the Survivors collection. It's lives its life in Collegeville, Pennsylvania. It's a 1958 Buick Series 40 V8. It has the Dynaflow transmission, and in 1958 they added a whole lot more chrome, and it had twin headlights. It weighs about 4,500 pounds, and it goes about 60 miles per hour in 17 seconds with about 12 miles per gallon. This Buick was owned by one family its entire life and still is, and 100% original condition. So I'm going to shut up and go ahead and walk around and let you take a quick peek at this magnificent Buick Wagon. So that's the 1958 Buick. Super cool. I love when cars are in such original condition without having been touched since it left the showroom floor in Flint, Michigan in 1958. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.